So sensual bachata, step number 1. So body wave, how to do body wave. So first we start with the basic step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here we're doing right turn for the ladies. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stopping in this position. So for the leaders, you want to stay more flat sideways, and for the ladies, you want to stay more forward. Now from here, we lead girls for the 4 counts into body wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, finishing a slide sit, and reverse wave. 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we're getting out of this position. Yes, so let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Body wave, finish 4. Reverse, finish 4. Now from here, next movement what we can do, as we're getting out of this position, let's go for the head roll. So we're going to loop this hand over our partner's head. Now from here, with our left arm, we'll try to slightly pull girls to the left. Yeah, and the girl head relaxes. As you step to the side, you roll your head back, side, forward, and we meet on that 4 here. Continue with the basic walk. 6, 7, 8. So let's do from beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, immediately going into the head roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now make sure you keep your fingers here on the middle of her neck. Now from here, the last movement, we're going to do a hip roll. So as we're going basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, our hands getting on the lady's hip, and we start guiding her hip side, forward, side, back, and then we meet to that tap. Now we only do the starting point and continue with your body, then you don't have to really lead the whole thing. And then we're back to our beginning. So let's do this combination together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try the music. You okay? You did it?
No.